Morning students. In previous class we discussed about the topic maxima and minima. Today also we continue the remaining concept. Maxima and the minimum of the given function. Maxima and minimum. Maximum and minimum of the given function. Okay, what is maximum value? I will explain in previous class. It is a function, an interval I, and C belongs to, means C is in I, then f of C greater than f of x, then f is said to be a maximum value. The number f of C is called maximum, and the point C is called maximum, point of maximum in interval I. Okay, what is the minimum value of say f is a function on interval I, C is belongs to the interval I, and f of C less than f of x. So like this one, this is like this graph at C, and this one at C. F of C less than f of x, f is said to be minimum value, and f of the number f of C is minimum value, and the point C is point of minimum in I. That is the maximum and minimum values. Okay. And also explained local maximum, and local minimum values. Local maximum and local minimum values. Okay. Okay, so at some point A, this is P, C, D, at A and C, and for some neighborhood points, the value, this is changes the sign, means it changes its nature, So then A and C are called turning points, and form here for some neighborhood points. Here is some minimum value, that is called local minimum value, and local minimum value at A and C. That is nothing but speak of it as like valleys, and these are some hills. So here for some neighborhood points, these are the local maximum values B and B, and for this at A and C, for some neighborhood points, this is called local minimum values. Okay, by geometrically, by the definition, we can prove using first derivative test. Using first derivative test, right? F is a function on I, and C be a point in the interval I, and F, the function changes the sign from positive to negative as x increases, as x increases through C, that is f dash x greater than 0 to the particular points sufficiently close to left of C. So left of C means that is C minus h comma C. Left of C minus h comma C. H means some h greater than 0 nearest to 0. Some C minus h comma C, left of C. and sign changes positive to negative. Okay, as x in series, that is f dash x less than 0 for some particular point sufficiently close to right of c. This is the right of c. So then sign changes positive to negative f dash x greater than 0, that is close to c minus h comma c, that is left of c. Then the sign change positive to negative f dash x less than 0 is sufficiently close to c comma c plus h, that is right of c. So then c is called local maximum point. C is called local maximum point. This is geometrically the diagram. So this is the definition. Right. F dash x less than 0, f dash x greater than 0. What happened here? Once look here, the sign of function change. This is negative to positive as x increases through c, that is f dash x less than 0. Otherwise here will be f dash x less than 0 sufficiently close to left of c, and sign changes from negative to positive, that is f dash x greater than 0 sufficient close to c comma c plus h, So this is the point, that is nothing but take c point. Okay, c. Okay, take f of x and okay, right, no problem. F of x. Okay, at c. Then the point c is called local minimum, here local maximum. Okay, that is the definition of the local maximum value and local minimum value. And also I explained yesterday one example problem also. What is the example problem? Here x cube minus 3x plus 3. Okay, this is the function. Get a critical point. What are the critical points? Minus 1 comma plus 1. Minus 1 comma plus 1. Here also minus 1 is the maximum value and at 1 is equal to local minimum value. So like that we decide by using the first derivative test local maximum value and the local minimum value. So what is this one? Suppose point C1, C2. So what is this point? C1 is the local maximum value at C1. At C2 this is local minimum value. Local minimum value. C3, C4. F is here not differentiable. Point is, otherwise the point is not differentiable. But this is local maximum. Here also point not differentiable. But local minimum value. Okay. So here critical points C1 and C2, here C3 and C4. So what is critical points definition? Critical points, let CP is any point in the domain of the function f, domain of the function f. So then C is said to be critical point. F dash C is equal to 0 or f dash C does not exist. Means what? F dash C does not exist means differentiable not possible. Here differentiable not possible, but these are the critical points. At critical points, we have some local maximum value and local minimum value, local maximum value and local minimum value. What is the means? So here is a tangent is possible. Here more than one tangent, short path, more than one tangent, that is not differentiable. Okay, right? Okay. F is maximum value or minimum value, then F is said to be extreme value. F is said to be extreme value. What is the meaning? Extreme value means F is either maximum value or minimum value. Like that, F is increasing or decreasing, then F is said to be monotonic function. F is monotonic function means either increasing or decreasing function. Therefore, every monotonic function, monotonic function assumes its maximum and minimum value of the interval endpoints. Interval endpoints. Okay. And like that, F is a continuous function on closed interval. Is that function also assumes maximum value and minimum value. Okay. Local maximum or local minimum. Another name is relative maximum or relative minimum. Actually, F is maximum and minimum value is F is said to be extreme value, and local maximum and local minimum means that is called relative maximum and relative minimum values. Okay, let's see one more. Suppose f of x is equal to x cube. So this is the curve like this one. F of x is equal to x cube. At point 0, f of x equal to x cube. What is f dash x? F dash x is equal to 3x square. For getting critical point, 3x square is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. There is no maximum, there is no minimum value. Then f is said to be no maximum and no minimum. Neither maximum nor minimum. Then f has no maximum value, no minimum value, or the point is called point of inflection. At this point 0, no maximum and no minimum. The point at the point 0, f is point of inflection. Point of inflection means neither maximum nor minimum values. Okay, right. So take one more example. See. Suppose f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 6x square plus 6x plus 5. Okay. Find all points of local maximum and local minimum values. Find all points of local maximum and local minimum values. Okay. So by using the first derivative test, f dash x, what is f dash x? 6x square minus 12x plus 6. 12x plus minus 12x plus 6. Here the 6 is common. X square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. That implies 6 of a square minus 2ab plus b square. This can be written as x minus 1 whole square. Okay. Suppose for getting critical point, f dash x is equal to 0. So x is equal to clearly 1. X is equal to clearly 1. So that implies f dash x greater than or equal to 0 at particular value, f dash x greater than 0. At particular value, so f dash x greater than 0. At 1, that is nothing but f dash x equal to 0. At particular value, f dash x greater than 0. In this case, x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1, left of left of 1, right of 1, close to left of 1 and close to right of 1, what happened? Composite sign will change. So there is no, observe here, greater than 0, there is no changes. Okay, so that's why one is not a turning point. Turning point means what? Changes its nature from increasing to decreasing, like that one. Or here in this problem, the function does not change the sign, either positive to negative or negative to positive. In this case, this is called a point of inflection. In this case, this is said to be point of, at x is equal to 1, point of inflection. This type of problems. Okay, what you do? This is the first derivative test. Now, sir, we will take second derivative test to examine the problem, either local maximum or local minimum. Okay. Now, we will use second derivative test. What is second derivative test? First derivative test like one. Second derivative test. Okay. This second derivative test is easier than the first derivative test. Here also, f is a function on the interval I, and c is any point in I. C is any point in I. Then the point C. Then the point C. Then the point C is said to be maximum value or local maximum. The point C is local maximum when if f dash x is equal to 0, if f dash x is equal to 0 and f double dash x means so nothing but C, f double dash C less than 0, f double dash C less than 0, then the point C is called local maximum, point of local maximum. Then what is the maximum value? After getting C value, so f dash x is equal to 0, you get C value. Then f of C is called local maximum value. Local maximum value. The point C is called local maximum point. At this point, we have the function has local maximum, and f of c is called local maximum value. What is second derivative test? So first of all, apply rule. What is working rule? F dash x. First of all, take f and take first derivative test, and to equal to get critical value, like that, to get critical value, f dash x equal to 0. Then we get some critical values between the interval, given interval. Okay. Then and again do the second derivative and substitute the critical values in this one. Substitute critical values in this one. So if that value is less than 0, then C is called local maximum point, and f of C, that C point substitute in the given function. Then f of C is called local maximum value. Okay, right? Suppose then the point C is maximum. Okay. Then the point C is maximum. Right. Okay. Then the point C is minimum. If f dash x is equal to 0, then we get critical points. Substitute and f double dash c greater than 0, f double dash c greater than 0, and the point is called local minimum point, and f of c, the point, the value of c, substitute in the function, given function, then f of c is called local minimum value. So like this, using the second derivative test, solve the problems. Suppose this test fails. In this test also, there is no maximum, there is no minimum value. That is called point of inflection. Again, go back to the first derivative at the critical point C to decide the local maximum and local minimum value. Okay, when it fails, f double dash C also means f double dash x also fail means then we will go back the first derivative. Then we decide the point C is the local maximum or local minimum. Okay, we see this example. Same example as today we do means in previous class. That example we take. See. Example. F of x. F of x is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 3. Okay. Same example. F dash x. What is f dash x? F dash x is 3x square minus 3. 3x square minus 3. So this can be written as 3 of x square minus 1. This can be written as 3 of x plus 1 into x minus 1 f dash x. For getting critical point, by the definition of critical point f dash x is equal to 0. To take f dash x is equal to 0. So then that implies, what happened? That implies 3 of x plus 1 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1 comma 1. Minus 1 comma 1. We got answer yesterday. Means previous class. At minus 1 we have local maximum value. At 1 local minimum value. By using the first derivative test. Okay, now we will use same problem, second derivative test. Okay, that is using neighborhood point -1 left point and -1 right neighborhood point. So then sign changes from positive to negative, that it is called local maximum. And at 1 the sign change negative to positive, then at point 1 it is called local minimum value. So neighborhood point of left of 1 and neighborhood point right of 1 will decide sign changes. Then either local maximum or local minimum by using the first derivative test. Now we will use second derivative test. Okay, got what are the critical points? -1 comma 1. Okay, right. We'll see this one. What is this value? F double dash x. Right. We take f double dash x. What is f double dash x? 6x. 236x minus 0. That is equal to 6x. First we take f double dash minus 1. F double dash c, critical point, f double dash minus 1. What is this answer? 6 minus 1 minus 6. Minus 6 less than 0. Minus 6 less than 0. So less than 0. Then f of c is called, that's the point is called maximum point, local maximum point. Then f of the, what is the maximum value? We want some number, maximum value number. So like this one. This is the graph. At C, this is the local maximum point. We want this value. What is the value? That is nothing but f of c on y coordinate. This is x coordinate points. We want this value. How much value? So that's why substitute the critical point -1. Substitute in f of x. Okay. So C is the point C is called local maximum point at C at -1. What is maximum value? So f of C. Now we want maximum value f of -1. F of minus 1. Substitute there. Minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Okay. Minus 1 into 3. What is value? Minus 1. Minus into minus plus 3 plus 3. 6 minus 1 5. So 5 is the maximum value, local maximum value. Right. Next, at 1, f double dash x is equal to 6x. F double dash x is equal to 6x. Now, second critical point, f double dash 1. F double dash 1 is equal to 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Greater than 0. Okay, greater than 0. F double dash c greater than 0. Then the point is called minimum point, local minimum point. Then f of c is called local minimum value. Local minimum value at c. F has local minimum value at c. This f has local minimum value at 1. At 1. Why means decide by using the second derivative test. Right? Okay, what is the local minimum value? Value. Therefore, f of 1 is equal to, substitute there, 1 whole cube minus 3 into 1 plus 3. 1 minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 cancel 1. So this is the minimum value, local minimum value. Okay. So like this problem by using the second derivative. So compared to the first derivative test, this is easiest method. In exams, particularly they ask first derivative means use that one neighborhood points. Otherwise, not asking, so directly we do second derivative. First to do first derivative test. Next find critical points. Next find out the second derivative of the function and decide by using the critical points. Less than 0 means maximum value. Less than 0 means maximum value. And what is the maximum value? Substitute the critical point in the given function. Here 5 is the maximum value. Next, check out the second critical point. How many critical points are there? Means that all critical points substitute. Only one is there, means only substitute 1. Substitute 1. It has greater than 0. Greater than 0 means it has local minimum value. What is the local minimum value? Substitute in M. Substitute in M, that critical point. Get answer 1. So that is the minimum value is equal to 1. Suppose take given function f of 0. What is 0 value? 0, 0, 0, 0, 3. Minus 1. Minus 1 means what is answer? Minus 2. Minus 2 means minus 8 plus 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3, 9. At minus 2. Also 1. Minus 8 plus 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 minus 8, 1. Okay. At minus 3. At minus 3. Minus 27. Minus into minus plus 9 plus 3. What is this value? This value is equal to 9 plus 3. 12. 5. minus 1. So minus 15. So this value is equal to, so example minus 15. Okay. Right. At 1, what is at 1 value? At 1 is equal to 1 minus 3 plus 3. Sorry. Wait. At minus 1, what is the value? 5. Minus 1 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, 5. Minus 1, 5. 4, 5. Right. At minus 1, 5. At minus 2, what is minus 2? Minus 2 whole cube. 3 of minus 2 plus 3. Minus 2 whole cube. Minus 8, minus into minus plus 2. 6 plus 3. So 1 at minus 2. 1 at 0. 3. Right. At 1. At 2, 8 minus 6 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 minus 6, 5. So this is at 2, 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just examine the graph like this. Okay, got critical points 1 minus 1. 1 just for easy understand. At critical points what? Minus 1, 1. So minus 1 maximum value and at 1 minimum value. Okay, right? Clear? At minus 1 is maximum value. At 1 minimum value. Like this, using the graph. So not necessary in exam, just for easy understand. Broad graph. Okay. Suppose one more example. F of x is equal to x plus 3 plus mod x. Example 3 plus mod x belongs to R. 3 plus mod x belongs to R. One, two, three, four, 5. Put x is equal to 0. What is value 3? Mod x graph. What is mod x? Mod x definition? X when x greater than or equal to 0, minus x less than 0. This is modulus function. Modulus function definition. Mod x is equal to x when x greater than or equal to 0, minus x less than 0. Right. At minus 1, what is value? 1 plus 3, 4. At 1, 4. At 2, 5. So this is minus 2, 5. This is 2. Find the local maximum, local minimum. This is the problem. At x is equal to 0, it is not differentiable. Y means a sharp column. Differentiable means only one single tangent. Here, the more than one tangent. That's why it is not differentiable. At x is equal to 0. So not differentiable means test failed. So go back that the first table, like at x tends to 0 minus. What happened? 0 minus means f of x is equal to left of 0 is equal to 3 minus x. 3 minus 6. Therefore, f dash x is equal to minus 1. F dash x is equal to minus 1. X tends to 0 plus. So what is f of x? F of x is equal to 3 plus x. So then f dash x is equal to what is this value? Answer 1. X is equal to 1. X tends to 0 is equal to. So therefore f dash x is equal to minus 1 and f dash x is equal to 1. Therefore, here at 0, what is the minimum value? Minimum value is equal to 3. Minimum value is 3. So, like this, we will decide the test is failed means we will try this method. Again, go to back and find out decide the local maximum and the local minimum value. So, at x is equal to 0, then this function minimum value is 3. The function minimum value is equal to students. Right. Okay, let's see exercise. Find the maximum and the minimum value. 6.5. Last exercise. Find the maximum and minimum values if any of the following functions given by first one. Maximum and minimum values. Maximum and minimum values if any of the following functions given by number 1. F of x is equal to 2x minus 1 whole square plus 3. 2x minus 1 whole square plus 3. Just they ask maximum value. Okay, without using derivative also we can do this one. Minus 1, suppose 2x minus 1 whole square is always greater than 0 or not. Okay, it is greater than 0. Why makes whole square for any value? Okay, at 1 by 2, this value is equal to greater than or equal to 0. Right? 2x minus 1 whole square. At x is equal to 1 by 2 to cancel 1 minus 1 whole square, then greater than or equal to 0. 2x minus 1 whole square plus 3. 2x minus 1 whole square plus 3. Therefore, it is this side also add 0 plus 3. 3. 2x minus 1 whole square plus 3 greater than or equal to 3. They ask maximum and minimum value. Compared to this one, for 0, this value 0 is equal to x equal to 3. Okay. For some values, what about this value? This value always greater than the 3. Always greater than the 3. So what about this 3 compared to this one? This 3 is nothing but minimum value. It is minimum value. So what is the minimum value? Minimum value of the given function is equal to 3 at x is equal to 1 by 2. How means at so that implies 2x minus 1 to get critical point 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 by 2. At x is equal to 1 by 2. At x is equal to 1 by 2, this value is equal to 3, or for remaining all values, so this is greater than 3. So what is this is the minimum value. So maximum value means not decided maximum value. To increase the values of x or values of increase, cannot examine the maximum value. So minimum value is 3. Right? Suppose if you want to do like derivative test, what is f dash x? F dash x is equal to 2 of 2x minus 1. Again, this derivative, what is this derivative? 2x derivative 2, 1 derivative 0, plus 3 derivative 0. This value 2 into 2 4, 2x minus 1. For getting critical value, f dash x is equal to 0. F dash x is equal to 0. 4 of 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1 by 2. Now we want second derivative test. F double dash x is equal to, what is 4 is a constant, 2x derivative 2 minus 1 derivative 0, that implies 8 greater than 0 or less than 0. This is greater than 0. In second derivative test, f dash c is greater than 0, 8 greater than 0, then f has minimum value. Minimum value at what? At what critical point? At x is equal to 1 by 2. At x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, what is the maximum value? Here it is said already. Maximum value is, minimum value is minimum value. So minimum value is equal to 3. Now we will find minimum value. How to find minimum value? The critical point substitute in f. F of c is the minimum value. Therefore, f of 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 whole square. 2 to cancel, plus 3, 0 plus 3. What is this answer? 3. 3 is the minimum value. Okay. 3 is the minimum value. So like this you find by using derivative test. So otherwise without using derivative test. So particularly they ask local maximum, local minimum means use compulsory the first derivative test and second derivative test. We will get the critical points and decide the using critical points substitute in second derivative. Then decide greater than 0 means minimum value, less than 0 means maximum value. Suppose by using graph, suppose if you take graph 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. This side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Right. Put x is equal to 0. What happened? Put x is equal to 0 in this function. F is equal to 2x minus 1 whole square plus 3. Put x is equal to 0. Minus 1 whole square plus 1. Plus 1 plus 3. 4. X is equal to 1. 2 minus 1. 1. X is equal to 0. Minus 1 whole square plus 1 plus 3. 4. And next put x is equal to 1. 2 minus 1. 1 whole square plus 3. That also 4. Right. 2. 2 is 4. 4 minus 1. 3. 3 is 9. 9 plus 3. 12. Suppose for example this is 12. That's 2. 12. Right. If x is equal to, this is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. At x is equal to 1 by 2. 2 to cancel, 1 minus 1 0, 3. Right. Take x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. 2 into minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Whole square plus 3. 2 to cancel. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 whole square plus 4 plus 4 plus 3. 7. Approximately here. So this is the 7. Right. Take minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. Minus 3 whole square. 9. 9 plus 3, 12. So add to minus 1, this is 12. So graph is like this. So at x is equal to minus 1 is the minimum value. At x is equal to, at x is equal to 1 by 2. At x is equal to 1 by 2. At x is equal to 1 by 2. The function has minimum value. What is the minimum value? At x is equal to 1 by 2. 3. 3 is the minimum value. 3 is the minimum value. Like these problems. Not using this graph, just for understand. So you find out this method or derivative method. Second problem, one more problem. F of x is equal to 9x square plus 12x plus 2. 9x square plus 12x plus 2. Okay. F of x is equal to, this can be written as, I will write like this one, 3x whole square. 9x whole square can be written as 3x whole square. 12x, I will write, this is in the a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square form. 12x can be written as 2 into, without changing the, this 12x, 2 into 3x, 2, 3, 6. Still one, okay, completed. 2, 3, 6, and 12 means, one more 2. 2, 3, 6, 6 to 12. 12. Without changing the value, you can write 2a. 2, 3x is a square. A, this is b. Next you want you will write the b square means a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. You want b square value. B square value is, here 2 square means 4, but 2 square not there. That's why added and you subtract. Then there is no change. Adding and subtracting, no change. Plus 2. Right. From this, what you write? 3x plus 2 whole square. 3x plus 2 whole square. This value minus 1 plus 2. Minus 2. Minus 1 plus 2. Minus 2. Now we examine either maximum value or minimum value of this function. F has maximum or minimum. Therefore 3x plus 2. However, 3x plus 2 whole square greater than 0. Clear? Greater than 0. But for x is equal to minus 1, minus 2 by 3. X is equal to minus 2 by 3. 3, 3 cancel. Minus 2 plus 2. This is 0. That's why greater than or equal to 0. Right. Adding 3x plus 2 whole square minus 2 greater than minus 2. Clear? Minus 2 both sides. This is the function. This is the function f of x. F of x greater than minus 2. So this f of x greater than always minus 2 equal to, then maximum or minimum value, it has minimum value. Suppose if you increase this value is more, maximum value undefined. So continuously going. So you cannot examine the maximum value. So minimum value is minus 2. Maximum is more. More means depend on x value. Depend on x value, it increases. So x is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 is the maximum value. At what value? So at what value of x? So that is 3x plus 2, let it be, is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2 by 3. At x is equal to minus 2 by 3, the function has minus 2 minimum value. Suppose if we use the derivative of c, f of x is equal to 9x square plus 12x plus 2. F dash x is equal to this value 18x plus 12. For getting critical value, f dash x is equal for maximum or minimum. For maximum or minimum, finding maximum or minimum, f dash x is equal to 0. That implies 18x plus 12 is equal to 0. 18x is equal to minus 12. X is equal to minus 12 by 18. Okay. What is x value? Cancellation. 3. Okay. 6 minus 2 by 3. X is equal to minus 2 by 3. What is f double dash x? F double dash x. From this, f double dash x is equal to 18. 18 greater than 0. Clearly. 18 positive value greater than 0. Clearly, f has minimum or maximum? F dash c, f double dash c greater than 0. F has minimum value. At x is equal to minus 2 by 3. So at x is equal to minus 2, we want what is the minimum value? Minimum value is f of minus 2 by 3. Substitute f of c. Substitute in the first function. 9 of minus 2 by 3 whole square plus 12 into minus 2 by 3 plus 2. Right. 9 whole square. 4 by 9 plus minus plus into minus 12 into 2 by 3 plus 2. 3 fours. 9 cancel. 4 minus 4 twos. 8 plus 2. 6. What is this value? 6 minus 8 minus 2. So minus 2 is the minimum value. Minus 2 is the minimum value. Okay, right? Okay, students, we will continue our remaining problems in